Green-colored gold is also known as electrum. It was known to a group of people called the Lydians. The Lydians lived in western Anatolia in modern-day Turkey in about 680 BC. Green gold is actually a natural alloy, and it is greenish-yellow in color. It can be made artificially by adding cadmium and copper. This will give a light green color that is 18-karat gold. As an alloy of gold, silver, copper and cadmium, it will give a dark green alloy. This is quite attractive. However, the problem with all these alloys is simply that cadmium as a heavy metal is toxic. Colored gold. Rose gold or red gold. Mixing copper in with the gold forms a red-colored alloy. The more copper in the alloy, the deeper the red color will become. It was once popular in Russia in the 1800s. Today it is popular in Arab countries where it can range from rose to pink and even to red-colored gold. Colored gold. White gold. One of the most popular of the colored golds is white gold. It is made by incorporating the white metals such as nickel, manganese and palladium into the gold. Sometimes a mixture of these metals will turn the gold white. The use of nickel to make white gold does have issues, in that 12% of the population may be allergic to nickel and may get a skin rash from it. So if you are buying white gold, it can be very important to know the content of the white gold, so as to avoid these problems. To get a more pure white finish, it now an accepted practice to plate white gold alloys with rhodium at between 0.05 and 0.5 microns thickness. Colored gold. Gray gold. Gray-colored gold can be formed from a mixture of gold and palladium. It can also be made by adding silver, manganese and copper to gold in appropriate proportions to give a gray color. By changing the proportions, a range of grays can be obtained. Colored gold. Purple gold. Purple-colored gold is also a possibility. It is formed by a mixture of gold and an intermetallic compound AuAl2. Its chemical structure makes it brittle and it is often machined to be used as a gem rather than as a metal. It is often used as a decorative metal, whereas natural gold is a more practical mount. Colored gold. Blue gold. Blue-colored gold is formed by a mixture of gold and indium to form an alloy. A variation of blue gold is formed if the gold is alloyed with gallium. The bluish hue is a bit lighter in this instance. Colored gold. Black gold. Black-colored gold can be used in jewelry and is obtained by various surface treatments. These treatments are as follows. Electroplating. This is using rhodium or ruthenium. Ruthenium gives a harder surface. Another way is by adding a patina by using oxygen or sulfur-containing compounds. Plasma can also be used to deposit amorphous carbon on the surface. This will give a black finish to the gold. As a variation, oxidization of gold can be used in a controlled way. By using cobalt and chromium, this will also give a black surface treatment. Finally, alloys containing gold and cobalt will also develop a black surface if they are heat treated between 700 and 950 degrees centigrade. Let's finish with a useful chart showing the elements and their percentage composition and how they color gold in its differing percentages.